O sino na lang dito may accounting firm, type 1. O type 2, accounting firm. Ay, may tanong pa po, Mr. Jack, Sir Jack, Sir Jack. Sino accounting firm po dito? Aside from my business, accounting firm. Gusto mag-accounting firm ba type 2? Yan. Jack, may
Ah,
tanong pa doon.
okay. May tanong po dito. What if BIR made a mistake in your 2303, but by following it, BIR assessed you for the tax that's not in your 2303? Napaka-imposible po niyan. Because your tax dues are based on your 2303. So you will just follow your tax dues based on 2303. If there's a mistake in the 2303, then parang napaka-imposible po. I never encountered one so far. But if ever, baka mali lang yung na-issue na 2303 sa'yo, yung nasa BIR, yung halimbawa po nasa BIR system iba, yung 2303 mo iba, parang napaka-imposible niya po.